Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video I am going to show you how you can post free ads in order to make money online. So if you are new in affiliate marketing and want to make some money, then this strategy can be extremely helpful for you. You don't need to pay anything to post these free ads. And for this purpose we are going to use this site that is called World Profit. So it has started from 1994 and it is still running, this site, and I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process on how you can do each and everything. So firstly, you need to sign up to affiliate network like ClickBank. You may sign up for any other network, but I would suggest you to sign up to ClickBank. So once you sign up to this ClickBank and log into this ClickBank, then you can click on this marketplace and you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. And what you can do is you can simply scroll below and click on this e-business and e-marketing, because in this type of free ads mostly the offers that work are in make money online niche. Okay, so if you promote weight loss offer or any other type of offer, then that may not convert, but this kind of make money online offer converts extremely well in this kind of ads that I'm going to show you after some time. So firstly, you sign up to ClickBank and then log in and go to this marketplace and select this e-business and marketing and sort it out by gravity. So gravity means the more the gravity is, then the more chances you have got to make sales. Okay, so as you can see, this offer pays $33 average conversion. Okay, so initial conversion $22, and similarly this pays $43 average commission and initial conversion is $25. So now what you can do is you can select the offer, any offer. Okay, for this video's purpose, let's select this top offer. Okay, like get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. So now in order to get your affiliate link, simply click on this promote button and put your click account nickname and click on create hop link. So once you click on this hop link, then you can simply copy it. Okay, let's for now just copy it and close it. Okay, and what you can do is just click on this affiliate page. So now once you click on this affiliate page, then you can see this kind of interface. You just scroll below and click on this email swipes. Of course, we are not going to send any emails. Okay, we are going to make some pre-classified ad that I'm going to show you. So scroll below and read all the emails and see which email can be extremely good or have any chances to bring you conversion. Okay, so I have already watched these all emails and I think this email 7 is good, like $175 per day chatting on Facebook Messenger. Okay, so if someone sees this kind of title, okay, headline, then most likely they are going to click on the link. Okay, so now in body there are lots of things, but we need to reduce some text. Okay, so now you can promote other offers in similar way. Okay, just go to their this affiliate page and search for their email swipes and watch which kind of email can be good for bringing you sales. Okay, so for this purpose we are going to use this email 7, and now what you can do is you can simply go to this worldprofit.com. okay, worldprofit.com, and then what you can do is you can simply create your free account by clicking on this join free. So you need to follow some steps and it is free to join. They do offer you some paid services, but you can close that thing. Okay, and once you make an account on this worldprofit.com, then you will see this kind of interface. Okay, so once you see this kind of interface, then what you can do is ignore everything. You can watch these things, okay, but you can ignore it for now and scroll below and click on this free classified ad, and then you can click on this place ad free. So now you will be able to place your ads for absolutely free. So if you are liking this video, then please smash a like in this video and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions regarding to this video, then please do ask me in the comment section below. So now once you see this kind of interface, then what you need to do is you can simply click on this post ad. And then here is the place where you can post your ad. So now you can see here is the title, here is the ad content, and here is the URL. So let's first put our URL. Okay, the ClickBank hop link that you have got. This is going to be your specific affiliate link that will credit you for the sales that you can get with this ad. Okay, and then what you can do is you can go to this email and just copy this subject line, $175 per day chatting on Facebook Messenger, and paste it at here. So now it's time for add content. So now you cannot just post everything that is at this email. Okay, so just read. Do you already use Facebook Messenger to chat with your family friends? If you so, you can send a per day to all people on Facebook Messenger. Small company we work with is looking for 2 remote workers to join Facebook customer support team. Here is the details of the team. Okay, let's copy it. Copy this much text is fine. Let's paste it at here, and then what you can do is you can also copy this, because money things is always interesting. Okay, you can also put this job description. Okay, so job title. Okay, what we can do is we can delete this and pay 75. Location requirement, sorry, experience requirement. So there the requirement are very basic. You just need 5, 10, 20 hours availability each week. So you can just copy it and paste it, and you can now finally scroll below and click on this and click here to apply. So maybe you can put this kind of link. So one extremely important thing here, no adults ad are allowed. Okay, so adults ad are not allowed in World Profit. So don't promote this kind of like dating offers or any kind of that kind of offer. Okay, just make these titles, put this kind of description, and you can also use your creativity, or you can read some other blog post, or maybe you have got some emails in your email inbox. Check the email and make some email that is totally enticing for people who are reading this. And once you put this title, add content and URL, then you can simply click on post ad. Now one thing here is important. So the date created is today. Okay, this is today, and the expiration date is 23/2022. So that means you can say your ad will run for 7 days. Okay, for 7 days it is completely free. So now if you want to keep on running these ads, so let's say you got sales, why would you love to stop that ad that is giving you sales right now? So, I mean, if this ad is going to give you sale, then why would you stop the ad? Okay, so that then if that's the case that you are getting sale, then you can renew it for credits at that time. Okay, meaning you can purchase their credit and keep on running this ad for longer period of time. So it is as simple as that. So if you don't get any sales with this ad, then you can create another ad by following the same step that I have shown you previously in this video. So if this video added any value to your life, then please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. And for today, this much only. And if you want to create passive income for lifelong, then I have a special link that I have given in the description, in the top of the description below. You can click on that and see if it can help you. So this much for today. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.